friends and fellow hobbyists, welcome to one of the best ways to start your weekend. Cut dreams in Styrene with me, your host Gary G, and the world's best production team!
Yahoo!
In today's shows, we want to talk about the Spätbanzer looks and the shortcut arrived our office. But first, as always, the riddle! How fast is the Lux in reverse? A. 15 miles per hour, B. 35 miles per hour, or C. 55 miles per hour? The answer is always the end of a show. Well, as fast as this build started, as fast it was done. I really enjoyed the build a lot. It was a really nice challenge to build this tank in 1/72nd scale because the most parts were not even bigger, like 2 millimeters, and it felt more like doing a science project under a magnifying glass than building a model car, but I really liked it. But see for yourself down in the garage. Yeah, down here in the garage we've continued with setting in the door. And now the real fun begins, painting the camouflage. Now ready for the first layer of paint. After some more masking, there was the second layer of paint. Now peeling off the masking tape and see what we got. Now we're ready to put on some wheels. Now put on some pigments. And this is the finished build. But now, back to the studio. This week my mailman has a nice delivery for me. You guess it, a shop card. Let's see who was kind enough to send me something in the studio. And it was... Is it the whoohooo bird that we have behind the house? Okay, it's Mike Lozano. I hope I spelled the name right, and I really like his show. He sent me this awesome, I opened it before, I was kind of too nosy, and he sent me this shop card. Of course he had some nice words for me as well, and I really like his channel because he picks up skills so fast and put it in his project. It's amazing to watch, and he really has this deep love for the model building. You can feel it and hear it in the way he speaks about his models. So definitely check his channel out. Nice guys. Thank you, Mike. Big thumbs up. And thanks, buddy. The Spähpanzer Lux had a crew of 4. A commander, a gunner, and a front and a rear driver. If the tank needed to escape, the rear driver took over, and without a U-turn they just could drive backwards, which is really cool. But how fast was that? See in the riddle. So, time flies and our time together is almost over for this week. I hope you have fun with the project that you're in right now. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday at the same time. If you like the show, give us some thumbs up, subscribe, and put the little bell on the side, the notification. It's somewhere here. The notification bell. And now, as always, Elise, a little musical support for us.
I'm so glad we had this time together.
I meant the other support, you know, the...
Oh.
Love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby
Alive.
alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
Bye, y'all.
Finish the Spähpanzer, what? No? Well, this build didn't start at all. To send me something in the studio, and it was... Is it the whoohooo bird that we have behind the house? Okay. Our time together is almost over for this week. No. Okay.